Hi, and thank you for being here. My name is Michele McCleary. I wanted to give you a little bit of an introduction. Some of you know and have been around here for a long time, and you know who I am and what I do. But I have a lot of new followers, and I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to who I am. I will be 60 this summer, and we live in central Alabama. My husband and I, we will be married 34 years this summer. I think that's important, right? So I'm supposed to be retired, but I have decided that I really enjoy doing these reviews for Amazon. So I am an Amazon affiliate and I do Amazon reviews for them. And I post them on YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram, and also on TikTok. If you are on YouTube, you can find me under the McCleary Project for all my DIY and some health type items. And the other channel for my reviews are Slay or Nay Reviewer, also on YouTube. If you could hit that subscribe button when you go over there, I would really appreciate it. That really helps out both of my channels. And if you hit the little notification button, you will be notified of all the new videos that I put up. Also on TikTok, I'm under Slay or Nay Reviewer, and I post a little bit of my life there as well. And I thank you I woke up to 1,200 new followers today, and I was very excited about that. I'm pretty new to the app, so I'm still learning, how to get around it. So we'll see how that goes. But thank you very much for sticking around and doing all that engagement. If you're part of TikTok, then we know teamwork, teamwork, teamwork. So thank you so much for doing that. On Facebook, you can find me under Michele C. McCleary and also the McCleary Project, or it's actually now, I changed the name to Slay or Nay Reviewer, AKA the McCleary Project. So it's actually going to be both. And you can find me under Instagram as well, Michele C. McCleary, and also Slay or Nay Reviewer. I do my best to bring the best reviews to you. I do like to stick right in the 4-star, 5-star range. However, occasionally I'll put a 3-star. If I don't do a review on it, it doesn't mean that it's necessarily bad. I probably just didn't get to it yet. So if you have any suggestions on items that you would like for me to review, please let me know in the comments and I will do my best to get that review to you and then I'll tag you. But hopefully that sums everything up. I am very happy to have you. Thank you for sticking around and actually listening to this video. And I will see you on the next video.